Good morning, guys. It is January 18th. Today we are going to be skiing and I'm so excited. I've actually never skied before and I have no clue how to ski. And I think we're also going to go tubing and then we're going to go on this roller coaster thing. And my grandma is going to stay here today in our little condo we're staying in while me and my family go out and do all that. So, okay, we have made it to Snow King Mountain and look how freaking high that is. There's no way we're going on that because we don't know how to ski. Well, don't you know how to ski? Yeah. Okay, change of plans. We're actually not skiing today and we're not even going to be skiing at the Snow King Mountain because they said it's not really good for beginners. So instead we are going to Teton Village tomorrow and it's supposed to snow tonight. So that's better because right now it's really icy and there's not really fresh powder. I'm going. I didn't want to take the stairs. We made up our minds. We are tubing and going on that cowboy coaster, but it opens at 2 and it's like 12:30. We stopped at this little cafe and it's so cute. I got the Simple Mills crackers. I got the orange crush smoothie. And by the way, this is the place we went to. It's called Healthy Being Juicery. Ooh, that's so good. Yeah, definitely recommend. All right, we have made it to Cowboy Coasters. I'm on it right now. It's automatic though. Oh my gosh. Bye. Eventually I'll have to turn this off because I have to control it with this. So I won't be able to record. Yeah, right now it's just automatic. Oh my gosh, what's it? Oh my god. Okay, we just went on it and it was so fun. But now we're going like with 2 people. So I'll video now. Here we go. Almost there.
Press the handle forward and have fun.
Hey, Mom, don't go that fast. I don't want to drop my camera. Don't go faster on the turns! Mom, I don't want to flip off! Mom, I've seen YouTube videos. People fly off roller coasters. Okay, I just changed my GoPro to the medium angle. I believe it was at mild. I guess that's what you call it. So hopefully this looks fine. We are going tubing right over here. And look how steep this mountain is. This is where like the pro snowboarders and skiers go down.
Ready?
Yeah. Here we go. Woo! All right, so it is, I think, 4 o'clock right now. We might just head home and eat dinner. Today has been really fun. Even though like we didn't go skiing, I was really looking forward to skiing, but I think it's better just to go tomorrow. We got our skis on, or shoes. Feels so weird. Please tell me I got that on video. We made it to the ski slopes. I honestly didn't feel like vlogging anything before we got up here because it was like hard trying to put her snow gear on and everything. But we have made it to the slope and we're on like, is this green slope? The green slope? Okay, first of all, this does not feel like a green slope and I've never skied before, so this one's really steep for me and I'm sliding down. Okay,
Katie, come on!
that's where it starts. Katie and Nicole are over there and I literally started riding down. I was literally yelling for help. I kind of got the feel of, oh, I turned like this. So I knew how to turn and I eventually stopped. But I did exactly what Jessica was doing. Like I didn't know how to stop. And I really was just about to throw myself on the ground. Okay, here comes Katie. I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm a little nervous because it's pretty steep. And it's snowing right now. So like, I don't know. Is that okay? I hate skiing. Oh my gosh, I literally can't believe I caught that on video. So, can you come a little closer? We're skiing
Courtney,
right now.
you can't get good angles. We're on a slope.
We're skiing right now is what she's trying to say.
Hey, we're skiing right now.
Oh my, can you just What I was saying is, we finally have the hang of things. If I am talking weird, it's because my face is frozen. Finally, like, are getting good at it. But Katie, she's having a little trouble. So she's like with my mom and my mom's trying to teach her.
We're in Wyoming. Can you believe it?
It's funny seeing all the little kids like snowboarding and skiing.
Look at
Like look at them.
Look at the baby 5-year-old.
We just finished skiing. We only skied for like 3 hours. We got here kind of late because the lift closes at 4, which kind of sucks because we didn't know that. So the last time I skied down the slope, I didn't realize I was gonna be my last. So that's kind of sad. And this is the best skiing in the country too. Did I do it?
Use your foot. You ready? You done?
Okay, so we got done skiing at the Teton Village. I was looking at the footage and my mom didn't even get me skiing. Like she took bursts, like picture bursts, instead of videoing, and I told her like how to do it, but she did it wrong. So I don't have that much footage from us skiing, but like it's fine. Now we are back like downtown Jackson Hole Square, and we're gonna go eat at this healthy restaurant called Locust. I mean Lotus. Yeah, skiing was so fun. I think that since it was my first time, I think I did pretty good. If I lived somewhere where it snows, I totally would be a skier. Here we are at Lotus. It's so cute inside. And there's a lot of like vegan and paleo gluten-free options. Everything looks so good. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Okay, we got the nachos for an appetizer.
I realize that's sour cream.
It's vegan.
You already know.
fish and chips.
Tacos? You?
This is such a great.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I got the fish and chips and it's vegan. No, it's not vegan. It's gluten-free and paleo-friendly and it's dairy-free. I'll try it and tell you how I feel. What did you get?
Elk tacos.
Nachos. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Can I put her phone back? You can't even tell that's paleo. That's so good. This is like their bakery section. So there's plenty of like vegan options, raw vegan, paleo, gluten-free, dairy-free. And these.
Courtney, was the banana bread good or was it okay?
Pretty good.